Welcome to Welding, Safety and Health Protections. For detailed information about how to complete this course and use all of its features, select Help. To proceed through this course, select the Next button. Welding, cutting, and brazing are hazardous activities that pose a unique combination of both safety and health risks to more than 500,000 workers in a wide variety of industries. The risk from fatal injuries alone is more than 4 deaths per 1,000 workers over a working lifetime. Health hazards from welding include exposures to metal fumes and to ultraviolet or UV radiation. Safety hazards include burns, eye damage, electric shock, and hearing loss. Many of these can be controlled with proper work practices and personal protective equipment, or PPE. This course is designed to teach you, someone directly involved in the welding process, how to stay safe. Specifically, it covers activities that must be completed before welding can begin, how to prevent and protect against fire, and precautions you should take to protect yourself against health and safety hazards. After completing this course, you will be able to identify where and how welding is permitted, prepare a welding area to protect against fires, and explain how to protect yourself from welding hazards.